We are Dexian, in the business for good.
A very dynamic woman leader who has driven impactful digital transformations, including her work as former manager at Bhashni, empowering inclusive tech for India's linguistic diversity. Let's welcome Aparna Singh.
Thank you so much, first Gates Foundation, Dexian, to making me part of such an important day. And former Bhashni, just 2 days back, it was my last working day, and so I'm here. So whatever I'll share here would be my experiences, my learning from working at Bhashni, and how language barrier is a crucial part in breaking any information asymmetry in agriculture and overall. So during my time at Bhashni, we worked on making AI accessible across India diverse languages. We worked with multilingual chatbots, and one of the major integration was PM Kisan chatbot, where more than 9 crores farmers access information, grievances, addresses in the language they could speak and read at. And that was one of the major things. And farmers were ready to use the technology, but tools, we all know, most of the tools available are in English. So language barrier becomes very, very much important, crucial to break it across. And so at Bhashni, we took this challenge by creating AI-powered multilingual solutions, but we also know that these solutions are not enough. The data sets are diverse. With each state, we have different crops, we have different advisories, we have different forecasts, and the dialect spoken in India is 1,000, keeping the 22 languages across, keeping the 22 languages separate. So we have 1,000 plus dialects. So what at Bhashni we realized that this can also give a amazing opportunity, given all the foundational model talk being happening. Can we create a foundational model for India in agriculture and make it an open source? Because so much of we talk about open source, but data sets are not open source. It still remains in silos. What do we do about ensuring that the base of AI actually become accessible to all? So that was one of the biggest learning and question that I have after working after Bhashni. And one of the largest lesson was my experience taught me was AI is definitely not the hero, but the people are, and technology alone cannot transform agriculture, and that's the very reason everyone is here in this hall today. And how we design, deploy, and scale AI solutions, this real people matter. And that was a question I left Bhashni with, and that was a question I would like to leave the mic talk over here. How do we ensure that AI serves every farmer in every region, in every language, across India and overall in the world? So that's something I would leave the session here with, and hope the whole collaboration, the way forward, we come together to answer the question, and we make AI more inclusive and not just about the tech, but people at the core of everything. Thank you.
We are Dexian, in the business for good.